What's up, everybody? Richard Profit Realty Group channel, and these are the new Apple iPads Pro. I know a lot of people are on the fence. They don't know whether to pick the Apple iPods Pro up or whether to pick the regular iPods up. So I just got these a few minutes ago. I figured I'd shoot a quick little video, and we'll take a look what's in the box. We'll take a look together, and maybe we can make a decision together. All right, so let's go. A little tab here to open it up. Okay. All right, the Apple iPods Pro are like embossed on there. You get in the box. Basic quick setup instructions. See what else is in the box here. There's a little tab here. Pull that out. Okay, it's like a little case. All right, so you have the earplugs there. These are new to the Pros. You know, the old Airpods, they don't come with earplugs. A lot of people complain that they fall out of their ears, because Apple took care of that. So this is the small, large, I guess the mediums already come on the Pros. What else you get? You get this charging cable. What is it? Looks like Lightning to USB-C. All right. Let's unwrap this bad boy. There they are. First glance, you still have a Lightning charger on the bottom. Yeah, is that a Lightning charger? USB-C. Let's see. Okay, this is. Okay, so that would be the Lightning. Yeah, okay. So if you have a MacBook or whatever, you can connect that. But there's one thing to note. You have the charging indicator on the face of the Pros. So that means they support wireless charging. All right, just real quick offhand, they seem a little bigger than the AirPods. Just in comparison, I have my AirPods here. They're still the same glossy white. Let me see. You can see they seem a little bigger. They kind of seem like, yeah, if you did it like that. Still a little bigger. The AirPods open. It's the Pros open. Yeah, they're much bigger actually. Well, I still have the that snap. All right. One thing to notice right off the jump, they're a lot easier to take out. Of the case. All iPods, a little, Can be a little bothersome to take them out. These, you just grab the top, pull them right out. Let's try them on. Wow. One thing to note right off jump, they're a lot more comfortable, and they don't slip out of my ear. The old iPods or the regular iPods, they slip out of my ear a lot. These, definitely with these tips, you get a much better seal, and it's not open on the bottom as the AirPods, and they're much shorter. If you really look at it, they're like much shorter. Let me show you my AirPods. Yep. Yep. So, yeah, I've been watching videos. I know you can put them in your ear and seal test and all this. And I'm curious to check out the sound quality on them and see if they're any better than my AirPods. I actually really like the AirPods. I've tried a lot of earbuds, and I really like the AirPods. I like the congruency between the AirPods and my iPhone, and I just like the sound of the AirPods. But yeah, I'm curious to jump into the AirPods Pro, check them out, and hopefully, well, you know what? I'll wear them for about a week, and I'll come back and I'll give you an update on how I like them. And I hope that helps if you're sitting on the fence of whether you should pick them up or not. So there you go again, the Apple's AirPods Pro and the Apple AirPods. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you're into watches, join us every Sunday night when we're talking watches. I'm out. Bye-bye.